Welcome back to my channel in the LaTeX tutorial series. And in this video, we will learn how to insert images and figures in LaTeX. So by adding visuals, make your document more meaningful and professional, especially for reports and research paper. So for that, you need to just open your text file. This is your, this is your text file. And this is our last text file in that we have so that how to make tables and how to make bullet points. So let's begin. So firstly, you need the graphics package, okay? And you at the top of your LaTeX document, just add a package for graphics. Use package graphics cx, okay? This is the package for graphs. Like these all three we can use for making tables and for making bullet points. So now begin with your example for inserting an image. Begin, begin, then figure, then h is means to here. Then for center you just need temp centering, then include graphics, include graphics. Then you can change your picture or image height or width according to yours. So I am taking 0.5, then text width, then whatever images you want to paste here, just copy their path and paste it into here in the curly bracket. So like if I want to copy this, like paste, so copy their path and just paste it here, go with OK. Now it automatically catches the path of your image. Then for caption, write caption like a sample image. Then for label, type label, figure, and type sample, and then end figure. Okay. So begin figure and end figure. Define the environment of your figure, and centering places the image in the center. Then include graphics with this line, insert the image and set its size automatically. And caption adds a caption below the image. And for label, just lets you refer to the image in the your text using. So after that, you just compile your file and it automatically gives you the perfect image. Okay. And the LaTeX file only supports format .png, JPG or PDF. And save your image in the same folder as your .text file. Okay. Okay, so this is for today's video. Thank you.